Chapter 5, Living and Non-Living Things. All things can be grouped into living or non-living things. Human beings, birds, plants and animals are living things. Things such as sun, moon, lamp, table, etc. are non-living things. Living things move. Living things can move on their own. Humans and animals move from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, and opportunity. Plants do not move from one place to another in search of food. They make their own food using air, water, and sunlight. Some plants show movements in some special ways. Have you seen chairs and books move on their own? They move only when someone moves them. Non-living things do not move on their own. Non-living things do not have life. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives us energy to work and move. Animals eat plants or other animals as food. They move from one place to another in search of food. Plants do not need to go in search of food. They make their own food in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Fascinating facts. Venus flytrap plant is a carnivorous plant and it can differentiate live prey from non-living things. Non-living things do not need food. Living things breathe. Living things need air to breathe and live. We breathe through our nose. Insects have tiny holes on their body to breathe. Plants breathe through pores on their leaves. These pores are called stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things feel. Living things feel the changes around them. What happens when you touch a hot object? You take your hand away from the object. Animals and human beings feel the changes around them with the help of their sense organs such as eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Plants also feel. Touch me not plant is a strange plant whose leaves close when you touch them. Plant also grows towards light. Living things grow. All living things grow from small to big. Animals. Puppies grow into dogs and kittens grows into cats. Human beings are also grow from a child to an adult. Plants. A baby plant or sapling grows into a plant or tree. Non-living things do not grow in size. Living things reproduce. Reproduction means to produce more living things of the same kind. Animals. Many animals give birth to babies like human beings, cow, dog, etc. Some animals lay eggs and their babies hatch out of these eggs. For examples, hen, birds, insects, etc. Plants produce new baby plants from various parts like seeds, roots, and stems. Non-living things do not reproduce. A pencil cannot make us another baby pencil. Living things give out waste. Human beings digest food and give out waste in the form of urine, stools, sweat, carbon dioxide. All animals give out waste. Plants also produce waste products such as gases and extra water. These are given out through their leaves and bark. Non-living things do not give out waste. Differences between living and non-living things. The differences between living and non-living things are listed in the table. Living things need food to live and grow. Non-living things do not need food. Living things breathe air. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things move. Non-living things do not move on their own. Living things feel changes around them. Non-living things do not feel changes around them. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not produce babies. Living things grow in size. Non-living things do not grow. Living things give out waste. Non-living things do not give out waste. Differences between plants and animals. Though plants and animals are living things, they are different in many ways. The following table shows the difference between them. Plants make their own food. Animals eat plants and other animals. Plants breathe through pores in their leaves. Animals breathe through different organs such as lungs, gills, and holes. Plants' ability to feel is less. Animals' strong ability to feel. Plants reproduce through seeds and other parts. Animals reproduce by giving birth babies or by laying eggs. Key terms: living things, things that grow, move, feel, breathe, and reproduce. Non-living things, things that do not grow, move, feel, reproduce, or breathe. Stomata. Plant breathe through stomata, the pores on the underside of the leaves. Let's sum up. All things can be divided into living and non-living. Plants, animals, and human beings are living things. They grow, move, feel, reproduce, and give out waste. Plants do not move as a whole, but some parts of plants move. Thinking hat. A kite can fly in the sky. It is a living thing. If not, why? Life skill. We use a lot of plastic things like bottles, bags, etc. We only recycle 23% of them, and 77% of plastic is dumped into the natural ecosystem, which in turn is polluting the earth. So let us learn little ideas to recycle the waste. Let's make an adorable little water bottle octopus. Supplies: 1 empty water bottle, scissors, pink paint, half sheet pink felt, instant grab glue, 2 large wiggle eyes, red marker. First, cut the lower half of the bottle. Then, second, paint the upper half bottle with pink color. Third, make a ribbon and paste it on the mouth of the bottle. Stick 2 wiggle eyes and make lips with red marker. Your cute octopus is ready.